Subliminal TV.
So today we're going to talk about this steering wheel that I am in love with. It's cold, and I don't do cold weather well at all. But I wanted to talk about something today. I'm excited about a few things that I've done here lately on the Ferrari. Yes, this wheel right here. Oh my God. So I thought about this wheel a long time ago, maybe about a year ago, and I had already started the process on the wheel, and I said, you know what? I don't hate the factory wheel. I don't know if I want to spend that amount of money on this new wheel, right? So I just let it go. And here recently I was going through this whole process of, doing some updates on the Ferrari, and I said, you know what? The wheel popped up again. I looked at it, I was like, I think I want to go for it. I want to try it. I don't regret it for a second, let me tell you. You're probably gonna hear me say this a few times about other things that I'm doing to this car right now, but this is really one of the best upgrades that I've done to this car for me, as far as I don't know, because I'm always in the driver's seat. I know I do a lot of other things like the wheels and the lowering and other things that I do, and I enjoy those things, but I'm always sitting in the driver's seat. And this experience, the way that this grip feels, just the carbon with the Italian stripe, and then these LED lights, it's so engaging. It makes the driving experience so much more dynamic. So of course these LED wheels, the lights start here. As your RPMs go up, it just kind of goes up like this. Man, just the way these LED lights spike up. You can do so many different things. It shows fuel, it shows miles per hour, it shows your car temperature, it shows boost if you have boost on the car, supercharger, turbo. You can customize the lights here, make them blue or whatever color your car is, whatever you want to do. Of course, I kept mine the way it is, which is they're green at the start, and then they turn yellow and then red when it's time for shift. And when you start the car up, you have to boot up logo, whatever your car is, you can make it show that. Of course, I have Ferrari. Ferrari has two logos. One was a horse, and the horse was very ugly. So I went with the lettering, I love it. So this won't be a long video at all. I'm working on a few videos right now because I want to document everything and put one complete build video together of all the recent things I've done, but I still wanted to individually show each little thing. So I'll do some short videos here just to show the short things. I've done this, done the tail lights. I love the tail lights, and that's gonna be one of the things you're gonna hear me say, how it's one of my favorite again. So you're gonna be like, so the other thing wasn't your favorite? You said that was your favorite. But yeah, that's it. Short video today. Just want to let you guys know this was going on. I'll be doing another video of something else next week, just to show you guys what I'm doing in the rear of the car, and I'll see you guys then. If you like Ferrari content or any other car content, if you're just into cars, you love cars, and you're new to this channel, and you're new seeing this, your first time seeing me on a video, maybe you should consider subscribing so you can see me a second time, and a third, and a fourth, and a fifth. If you like motorcycle content, now I've been doing my Ducati content. And if you're returning, I appreciate it. It means a lot to me, it really does. I know that it's cliche for us to say, hey, we really appreciate when you're viewing. Of course we do, but I really, 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 really do appreciate, again, like I said before, just community and connecting with like-minded people who kind of like the same type of things. I really like that type of thing. It means a lot to me. So consider subscribing. Check me out next week. Peace. I also got a new key, by the way, and I like this key a lot.